Hello English 1 students, welcome back to your English 1 academic word of the day, and for today's word we got finite. Finite. Finite has two syllables, finite. In Spanish, finite is finito o limitado. We're using it as an adjective. And there's only one definition for this word, but we're going to be analyzing two examples. So for finite, the definition is having a definite limit or fixed size, stable size. Look at this picture. It says we only have a finite amount of natural resources in the world. What is one of those finite natural resources that we have in the world? Well, when you think about oil or gas, that is one of those finite natural resources that someday will finish. We will have no more. There's only a limited amount of it. Water, even though we have a lot of water in the oceans, there's only approximately around 1% of that water is drinkable water, and if we pollute it, we're going to have no more. So that clean, sweet water that we can drink, it's finite, it's limited. Only 1% of the world's total number of water, or amount of water. Let's look at the second example, applying it to our English class. In order to write a short story, you need to include these finite elements: exposition, climax, and resolution. So when you're writing a short story or reading a short story, all of these stories need to have a beginning, a middle, and the end. These elements are fixed. They're limited. The exposition or the beginning has to be clear and limited. We have to know when the beginning, ends, and then we transition to rising action. When there's a clear climax, and then the end, the story has to have a finite ending, a solution. Going back, we have some familiar words. Infinite, used as an adjective. Infinitely, adverb. Infinity, noun. We got some synonyms. Words that you can use instead of finite. We have limited or definite. The opposite meaning of finite are infinite, endless, or unlimited. Okay, English 1. This has been your academic word of the day, and your day was finite. Go ahead and complete your flashcards, do your drawing, and create your original sentence, and happy studies.